Hello and welcome back to English Flow Podcast. In this video, you are going to practice very simple, natural English sentences about your daily routine. This is a slow English practice lesson, so don't worry about fast speaking, just listen carefully and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime. You can repeat each sentence 2 or 3 times. This will help you improve your speaking, pronunciation, and confidence. Let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. I open my eyes slowly. I feel fresh and calm in the morning. I get out of my bed. I stretch my body. I feel relaxed after sleeping. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. I clean my body and feel fresh. I take a shower every morning. I use soap and water. I feel clean and active after shower. I come back to my room. I wear clean clothes for the day. I choose my clothes carefully. I look at myself in the mirror. I comb my hair slowly. I try to look neat and clean. I feel ready for my day. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water first. Then I prepare my breakfast. I eat eggs and bread in the morning. Sometimes I eat parrot or cereal. I also drink tea or milk. I sit with my family at breakfast. We talk about the day. We share small conversations. I feel happy with my family after breakfast. I clean my place. I take my bag. I prepare for school or work. I check my phone for messages. I check the time before leaving. I make sure everything is ready. I say goodbye to my family. I leave my house slowly. I lock the door carefully. I step outside my home. I feel the fresh morning air. The sun is rising. I start my day with energy. I go to school or I go to work every day. I leave my house in the morning. I lock the door and walk outside. I feel the fresh air. The morning is calm and quiet. I travel by bus, bicycle, or sometimes on foot. I enjoy my journey. I meet my friends on the way. I say hello to them. We smile and talk for a while. I reach my school or office. I feel ready to start my work. If I am at school, I sit in my classroom. I take out my books and notebooks. I listen carefully to my teacher. I learn new lessons every day. I try to understand everything clearly. I ask questions when I don't understand. I write notes in my notebook. I stay focused on my studies if I am at work. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails and messages. I start my work step by step. I complete my tasks slowly and carefully. I try to do my best in everything. I take a short break during the day. I drink water and relax for a few minutes. I eat my lunch at noon. I sit with my friends or colleagues. We talk and enjoy our lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. I continue my tasks again. I feel a little tired sometimes, but I stay focused and strong. I complete my work before evening. I finish my school or office work in the evening. I pack my things and get ready to leave. I feel a little tired but satisfied. I leave my school or office. I walk outside slowly. The evening air feels calm and soft. I travel back to my home. Sometimes I take a bus, sometimes I walk back or ride a bike. I enjoy the journey back home. I think about my day. I feel relaxed after finishing my work. I reach my home. I open the door and enter inside. I feel safe and comfortable at home. I change my clothes. I wear something comfortable. I wash my hands and face. I sit and relax for some time. I rest on my chair or bed. I take a deep breath and feel calm. I drink water or tea. I feel refreshed again. I spend time with my family. We talk about our day. We share our experiences. I help my family with small tasks. I clean things or arrange items. I try to be helpful at home. I sometimes go outside for a short walk. I feel the fresh evening air. I see people around my neighborhood. I meet my neighbors. I say hello to them. We talk for a short time. I come back home again. I sit quietly and relax. I watch TV or use my phone. I enjoy some free time. I feel peaceful in the evening. I return home at night after my day. I feel tired but peaceful. I enter my house and close the door. I change my clothes quickly. I wear comfortable clothes. I wash my hands and face. I sit on my chair or bed and relax. I take a deep breath and feel calm. I rest my body for a few minutes. I drink water or tea. I feel refreshed again. My energy slowly comes back. I spend time with my family. We talk about our day. We share our experiences and feelings. I help my family with small tasks at home. I clean things or arrange items. I try to support my family. I go outside for a short evening walk. The air is cool and peaceful. I see people walking around. I meet my neighbors outside. I say hello and talk for a few minutes. We share simple conversations. I return back to my home. I sit quietly for some time. I feel relaxed and comfortable. I watch TV or use my phone. I enjoy some free time. I do things that make me happy. I avoid stress and just relax. I feel peaceful in the evening time. My mind becomes calm. I think about my whole day. I remember what I did in the morning and afternoon. I feel satisfied with my routine. I finish my evening activities. I feel calm and relaxed. The night becomes quiet and peaceful. I prepare for sleep. I turn off the TV and put my phone aside. I reduce noise around me. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I wash my face with water. I feel fresh and clean. I get ready for bed. I wear comfortable clothes for sleep. I lie down on my bed slowly. I adjust my pillow. I cover myself with a blanket. I close my eyes for a moment. I think about my whole day. I remember everything I did from morning to evening. I feel satisfied with my routine. I feel grateful for my day. I feel peaceful inside my mind. All my stress goes away slowly. I relax my body completely. I breathe slowly and deeply. I feel my body becoming calm. I stop thinking about work or school. I clear my mind. I focus solely on rest. I slowly fall asleep. My body feels relaxed. My mind becomes quiet. I sleep peacefully at night. I have good dreams. My body gets full rest. I wake up with new energy next morning. I feel ready for a new day. Every day is a new opportunity for me. I open my eyes in the morning again. I feel fresh and alive. I feel ready for a new day. I wake up with energy. I stretch my body slowly. I feel positive and active. I get out of bed and start my routine again. Every day is a new chance for me. Every day I try to improve myself. I believe in learning and growth. I want to speak English better every day. I practice English in my daily life. I listen carefully and repeat sentences. I improve my pronunciation step by step. I become more confident in speaking English. I do not feel afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I keep practicing without stopping. I speak English slowly and clearly. I focus on understanding real conversation. I try to think in English. I build my confidence every day. I learn from my routine. I improve little by little. I stay consistent in practice. I repeat this lesson again and again. Practice makes me better. This is my daily English routine. This is how I improve my fluency. This is how I learn naturally. Keep practicing every day. Keep listening and repeating, and you will become fluent in English. Thank you so much for listening to English Flow Podcast. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and practiced with me. If you repeated even a few sentences, you are improving your English step by step. Don't stop here. Keep practicing every day. Small practice creates big results. If you want to speak English fluently, consistency is the key. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep learning. Blue Heart, I will meet you again in the next episode. Tomorrow we will continue with a new lesson, a new topic, and more natural English sentences for daily life. So don't miss it. Backhand index pointing right. Come back tomorrow for the next class. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe and stay connected with English Flow Podcast. Take care. And keep practicing English every day. See you in the next episode.